This video will provide an introduction to the Calendar app in Teams. The Calendar app in Teams will allow you to view your calendar directly in Teams, book Teams meetings from Teams, and view meeting information in Teams, including the meeting notes, meeting files, and the meeting whiteboard. Your calendar is tied to your primary NetLink ID on the Exchange email and calendar system that you access through Outlook. To access your Teams calendar, select the Calendar app in the Me space. If you don't see the Calendar app, click on the ellipses, locate the calendar, and then right-click the calendar and click Pin to pin the calendar to your Me space. If you want to move the Calendar app to a different position, simply drag and drop it to whichever position on the Me space you'd like. The Teams calendar will pull the content from the calendar of your primary NetLink ID email. Note that if you use a role-based email for your calendaring, you will not be able to see the role-based calendar events in Teams. To create a new Teams meeting, select the New Meeting button at the top right of your screen. You can also double-click the slot in the calendar that you want the Teams meeting to be created into. Note that this will automatically create the meetings as Teams meetings. As with Outlook, you can use the Scheduling Assistant to view attendee availability. If you want to quickly start a meeting, you can select Meet Now and then choose to either share a link with future attendees or simply start the meeting and call your attendees in. You can change your calendar view to day, work week, or week. When you are active in Teams and someone joins an upcoming Teams meeting that you are invited to, a notification will pop up and allow you to join the meeting if you're ready to, or send a message in case you're running late. You can also simply close the notification or ignore it if you're not ready or not planning to join the meeting. The calendar in Teams will also allow you to access the meeting information and content. Click into a meeting to view the meeting information. If you are the organizer of the meeting, you're going to see a few more options here, and you can do things like update the meeting description, view and add to the meeting notes. These will persist across a meeting series. You can also access and update the whiteboard in a Teams meeting, view the attendance info for the meeting, and you can also create and manage breakout rooms in advance of and in between the Teams meetings. Finally, if you'd like to add polls to a meeting, you can click the plus tab beside breakout rooms to add forms to the meeting. This will allow you to set up and manage polls in advance of the meeting so that during the meeting you are able to simply launch the polls and boost audience engagement. This video gave an introduction to the Calendar app in Teams. For more information, contact the Computer Help Desk. Thanks for watching!